Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to order and pay on Temu in Pakistan. So first go to the Temu website and make sure that you're logged in. Now, look at the top right corner of the page at the country icon and click on change country region. Then click on the country region to show the list of countries and let's search Pakistan so we can find Pakistan faster. On, switch to Pakistan or the one that you want to choose and the site will update with that country's prices. So now go back to the home page and find the product that you want and click add to cart. Then go to your cart and click checkout. Now it's time to add your shipping address. Now type in your Pakistan address and add your street address, zip code, city like Lahore or Karachi, and phone number. Then click save and continue. Now for the payment part, you can use an international debit or credit card that works online. Some people also use virtual cards or payment apps that work globally. And after adding your payment, click on place order. And that's it. That's how you order and pay on Temu in Pakistan. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.